here we're trying to brew over ice, and I put 2 scoops for a single serving, and I only use size 02 for the filter because it's just a single serving. So let's try to close it. So I'll just prefer a 8 ounce, so you could put the dial. See here, 8 ounce, 10 ounce, it's up to you. So now I just want maybe 8 ounce, and put it to over ice. You see here, so 8 ounce and over ice, and make sure you have a glass full of ice here, and that's it. Start brew. Let's see what happens. So as you see, it starts pouring now, the brewed coffee. And you can see in the indicator it's working. Okay, let's wait until it's done. Alright, starts pouring now. Still working. There's some more pouring. As you can see, the level here, the progress here is almost done. Dripping something, still dripping. Okay, it's finishing up. Alright, says it's ended. There you go. There's your brewed coffee over ice. Enjoy. You could put like creamer, sweetener, it's up to you. That's good coffee.